Did you know? Over 2.7 million Canadians are self-employed, and in the US, more than 60 million people have already made the leap to freelancing and contracting. The gig economy isn't just a trend, it's a movement that's changing lives. But what if your side hustle could be the key to breaking free from uncertainty and stepping into a future where you truly thrive? Imagine unlocking your next chapter, one where you control your career, your income, and your destiny. This is your invitation to move from side hustle to independent contractor, to break free and thrive. The journey starts now. Side hustles are everywhere. But what if yours could become a full-time business, one that lets you break free from the limits of your current job and thrive on your own terms? Imagine waking up each day knowing your skills and passions are building something real, something that belongs to you. What's stopping you from taking control of your financial future and unlocking your next chapter? The opportunity is right in front of you. Every step you take toward independence is a step toward freedom, fulfillment, and lasting success. Are you ready to turn your side hustle into your breakthrough moment? Freedom, flexibility, and financial security aren't just distant dreams. They're choices you can make today. Every moment spent waiting is a moment you could be building your independence and shaping your future. Breaking free from the constraints of your current job means reclaiming your time, your energy, and your potential. Imagine thriving in a career where you set the rules, where your hard work directly fuels your success. This is your chance to step into a life of purpose, autonomy, and lasting fulfillment. In Canada, millions have already chosen independence, and in the US, freelancers and contractors make up over a third of the workforce. You're not alone. This movement is growing, and the path from side hustle to independent contractor is more accessible than ever. The real question isn't, can you do this? It's, will you take the leap and break free to thrive? Your next chapter is waiting, and the numbers prove it. The opportunity is real, and it's yours to claim. Your side hustle is more than extra cash. It's the foundation of a thriving, contracting business, and you don't have to do it alone. Our program is designed to guide you step by step, at your own pace, through 8 key modules that cover everything you need to succeed. There's no big investment up front, and you only take each module when you feel ready or when you need it. Unlike other online programs, you'll receive direct, one-on-one mentoring and guidance from someone with over 30 years' experience as an independent business owner. Every step is tailored to help you make the right choices for your unique journey, so you can break free and thrive on your terms. With our program, you're never just a number. You'll have personal, one-on-one time with a mentor who's walked this path and helped hundreds succeed. Each module is designed to fit into your life, so you can move forward confidently, knowing you have expert support every step of the way. Whether you're just starting out or ready to take your side hustle to the next level, we're here to guide you at your pace with real-world advice and encouragement. Click the link in the description to learn how we can help you become an independent contractor and achieve one-person success. Your journey to independence starts when you are ready, and we'll be with you every step. Every step you take is supported by real skills and real guidance. Our 8 self-contained modules are designed to address the challenges independent contractors face, from legal setup and marketing to contracts, negotiation, and sustainable growth. You choose the modules that fit your journey, and you move forward only when you're ready. Each module includes 2 personal one-on-one video calls with your mentor, someone who's been an independent business owner for over 30 years. This isn't just learning, it's a partnership, tailored to your needs and your pace. Unlike other programs, there's no big investment up front and no pressure to rush. You decide when to start each module, and you get expert guidance exactly when you need it. Whether you're just starting out or ready to take your side hustle to the next level, our program is here to help you break free and thrive, most importantly, on your terms. Every milestone you reach is a step toward independence, confidence, and lasting success. You've seen what's possible: freedom, growth, and the power to shape your own future. The path from side hustle to independent contractor isn't just a dream. It's a decision you can make today. Every moment you wait is a moment you could be building the life you truly want. Our program is here to guide you, step by step, at your pace, with real support and expert mentorship. Don't let another day pass you by. Take the leap, break free, thrive, and unlock your next chapter. Click the link in the description below to start your journey to independence. The future belongs to those who act. Will you claim yours?